Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have another Stitch Fix. I think this is 92, 93, somewhere along there. I'll have to look all that up and see. I'm just going to do the unboxing the old-fashioned way. I'm kind of liking doing it this way. I don't think they tell you anymore what number it is. Don't see that anywhere. So I'm going to take everything out of the box. I just slip the tape so that I can give you a little sneak peek. You know, comes packaged. You get your invoice, your stylist note, and then you get your return mailer for anything you don't love, you send back. You can extend your return date. I've said this a million times. I always extend my date to the last possible moment so I can film, take my time, and decide if I want to keep everything, which the last 3 boxes I have kept everything. I still do have Sarah Beth as my stylist. Thank you, Stitch Fix. I'm loving that. She's been doing a phenomenal job. So let's see what she has sent this box. Preview, I think I liked maybe 2 or 3 of the items that she picked. I'm not sure if this was one of them. It might have been. So this is from Staccato long sleeve button detail knit top, purple medium petite. Right here. I think I did like this one. I love purple. I have purple on today with the little button detail coming down this side. Long sleeve, you know, cuffed. And the hem line is cuffed, so that is debatable for me. I don't always like that with a straight, you know, straight back. It has stretch, so that might be a possibility. I do like that. I don't like super heavy stuff. So next, oh, we have some bottoms, thank goodness. From Threads for Thought, we have like a fleece jogger, and this is in a medium. Right here, you know, stretch. There is like an active drawstring. Do we have pockets? We have side pockets. Oh, these feel nice and soft. And these are, you know, your basic jogger with your banded bottom. Is there anything on the back? I don't always like anything on the back. No, clean back, no pocket. Well, I'm excited for them. Could use, I have a black pair, but I really want navy or like, but I'll take another black pair. Oh, these joggers too. These are slub joggers, still from Threads for Thought. Well, these are similar, just a little, and the, right, nothing on the back, please. Oh, there's pockets on the back. I don't, so these are more of a print, pockets on the back, pockets, you know, side pockets, you know, right here. And these, I would wear these out. I wouldn't care. I would just put, and this has like more gray or cream. These feel nice and soft too. Are these a medium or a medium petite? These are a medium. Were the other ones petite or medium? They're both medium, so if one fits, the other should, but I'll try them both on. Could use some more stuff like this, whether it be just lounging or physical, you know, to wear out. You know, that I'm not sure. Next, we have from We Wander. This is the mini side split Model fleece sweatshirt, teal green, and a medium. With this, I can see the fleeciness inside. Well, this one might be kind of long. So, you know, sweatshirt, soft and thin, and it has the real long here. So if you want, and it has the thumb hole, which is nice because, you know, in the wintertime, you can pull it down. And this is longer, as you can see, super long. Let me see the bottom. It said slit. Yeah, the bottom has a pretty wide slit. So that might be better with leggings. And the interior is nice and soft plush. That usually sheds in the wash. I usually have to put things like this in like a lingerie bag just to stop it from getting everywhere. That might be too long for me, but maybe with leggings it'll be okay. Jeans, no. And lastly, from Lacerine, now this is going to be expensive because they usually are. This is the Shona Sherpa Sweater Jacket, off-white, medium, petite. Ooh, that is beautiful. That has some weight to it. Right there. Ooh, I like that. Depends what the inside is like. That's nice, you know, plain back. I love the buttons. Let me just, I'm getting stuff all over me already from this. And the interior is just your soft interior. Oh, I'm excited for that. That would be great to wear. Like, I have a vest to wear under a vest. Oh, that is like shedding left and right. Oh, I'm excited for all that. The only thing I'll have to wait and see is this, because of the length. It might be too long, but everything else looks good. So I will definitely come back. Probably it's like noon, 12:30 here, probably after dinner time, and try all this stuff on. Just have a lot to do today. Yesterday I didn't feel good and pretty much just laid around. So I'll do the try on in a little bit. If I can squeeze it in before dinner time, I will. If not, I'll do it after dinner. But for you, it'll be just a second. All right, I have the first top on. I figured I would do this a little different. So this is the top from Staccato, long sleeve button detail knit top. You can see the button detail here. Purple, medium, petite, $44. A little expensive, but sleeves are perfect length. The fit is good. There's nothing tight. The banding actually doesn't bother me because I can pull it down and have it be like at the bottom of my top of my legs. You can bring it up a little bit and blouse it. You can tuck it, whatever you want to do. So here's, nice and roomy. So this is not bad, and it's light. Today's cold here in Pennsylvania, and I would wear something like this today. I have a sweater on that was actually a Stitch Fix, I think from last year. But this would have been fine today too. I might have been a little colder because it was only, we were 60 on, what's today? Is today Wednesday or Thursday? Today's Thursday that I'm filming this. Wednesday we were like 60. Today we're 30. It's like a 30-degree drop overnight. It's cold. But this would be perfect. And like everything fits. It's right below collarbone. This is nice. If it was on both sides, it would be cute too. But one-sided is fine. So I'm happy with this. And I will try this on. This, I have a feeling, might be too long, but could be good for leggings. Now, I would never wear this with jeans. So I'll be back with this one. Okay, so this one is We Wander. This is Mini Side Split Model Fleece, teal green, medium, $59. Expensive. Has the thumb hole, so you can bring it down your hand. I love this when you're driving. Steering wheel's cold. It's cold out. You can just have that be on until your steering wheel hand, warms up. I more than likely would just cuff it so that it fits better, because uncuffed, it's a little long if I didn't want to use the thumb part to use, but I could push it up. I don't mind the slit. Hopefully you guys can see the slit. It's right here. I actually don't mind this. I mean, there's plenty of room in it. As you can see, it's not snug at all. It's like a perfect loose casual fit right at the collarbone. This I would not wear with, I mean, I have jeans on today and I don't mind it, but I probably would wear this more with leggings than I would with jeans. But you never know. I mean, it does, doesn't look bad with jeans, but I prefer this kind of style top with leggings for, better coverage. And then I want to try the bottoms on and see what I think. Decided to try this on before the bottoms. So this is from Maureen. This is the Shona Sherpa sweater jacket, off-white, medium petite, $59. It's expensive. I love this. It's not super heavy, nice and soft. I would never wear it all the way buttoned up, regardless. And then unbutton one, you could button it back up. I would wear this as a sweater, as is. I, don't have anything on underneath right here. So perfect, nice and comfy. And you could, have a long sleeve tee. I have plenty of them, and open it all the way up and wear it as a nice warm cardigan. I would probably wear it both ways. I don't think I have anything like that's plain that's off-white. I would never own a white cardigan. I just don't find that necessary. But I have white with, or creams with like a light blue and some gray and things like that. But to have a solid, I don't. I really do like this a lot. So now I'll be back and try on the bottoms and see what I think. Okay, so both joggers are Threads for Thought. They're both, okay, so this one is the Liara Feather Fleece, whatever it is, pant jogger, medium, $66. One of these is, let me see. Yeah, these are 66. They are expensive, but these are so nice. Like the fit, there's plenty of room. I wouldn't necessarily get them small. I think a medium is perfect. You could tie them tighter. It's a working drawstring. Nice deep pockets. You know, like a good fit. And then the length is perfect. There's nothing, you know, sometimes they're way too long for me, but these, and these are not petite, so that does surprise me. Like, it's a perfect length. And these are a good dark black, and they're soft and warm. So, I'm excited to try these on and see what I think of these. I do have leggings, like with this kind of design in them, and that's not bad. I mean, to wear around. I would still wear these out. I'm sure they'll fit the same. But I still will give these a try and see what I think. Alright, so I have the other ones on, and these are like the slub jogger. The feel is slightly different, but they're still soft on the inside. Same deep pocket. And these are $58. I don't love the pockets on the back, but they're fine, because if I had a shirt on, you wouldn't really see them anyway. This is kind of long for joggers, but a shirt that was up here, you wouldn't see all that. And the foot length is perfect. It's actually better on this pair than it is on the other pair. And I don't mind the pattern. More than likely would use these just for maybe casual around the house. Where the black ones, you could dress them up. You could put a cute boot on, nice top, and get away with them because they're a little dressier. These are way more casual just because of the design. So, let me put my jeans back on, and it'll give me a few minutes to think about what I want to do here, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I read my note from Sarah Beth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've had some phenomenal boxes from you. Where have you been, like, for the past 88 boxes? Did have a few good stylists there. I'm not going to knock them, but for like 50s and 60s and my 70s and even in early 80 boxes, horrible. So, let's give you some numbers before we get going. The box subtotal is $286. I would save $71.50 as a buy all discount, 25%. My $20 styling fee would be $194.50 for two bottoms, technically two tops and a sweater versus like a cardigan type thing, which I don't think, you know, is a little higher than previous boxes, but they were like maybe what, 160, 70, 150. So not too far off considering these are higher end brands. We Wander, Lace Serene, Staccato, they're higher end brands. They're not, you know, and Threads for Thought is not, you know, super cheap either. Not that anything generally is with Stitch Fix, but these are a little bit higher priced items. I would love to know your thoughts. I'm actually not going to tell you my thoughts in this video. I will comment what I want to do, but I want to hear what you guys think. Keep some, keep all, return. I want to hear from all of you. So in your comments down below, let me know your thoughts, and I will pin a comment for this video if you guys have commented, maybe like towards the end of the day, and I'll let you know what I decided to do. I figured this way you don't know what I plan to do. So I hope to read all your comments. I read every single one. I comment on as many as I can, and I always heart them that I have read them, so you are aware that I have read your comment. No comment to me is too big, too small. So, I love that you guys just comment. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.